In this video, I will guide you through the ultimate showdown between the three biggest names in free Office software, which are LibreOffice, OpenOffice, and ONLYOFFICE. Many people want to escape expensive subscriptions, but choosing the right alternative can be quite confusing. Let us start with LibreOffice, which is widely considered the king of features. It was born from the original OpenOffice code but has since received thousands of updates. It offers the most powerful tools for data analysis and complex document formatting. If you need a direct replacement for every niche feature in Microsoft Word or Excel, LibreOffice is likely your best bet because its development team is incredibly active. On the other hand, we have Apache OpenOffice. While it was once the industry standard, it has slowed down significantly in recent years. It feels like a trip back to the mid-2000s, which some users actually prefer for its simplicity and low system requirements. However, it lacks many modern file compatibility fixes. Finally, there is ONLYOFFICE, which takes a completely different approach. Its interface looks almost identical to modern Microsoft 365, making the transition seamless for business users.